Hello, I wanted to show you the 69 Mustang Sequential LED tail light from Vintage LEDs. Each board has 120 LEDs laid out in a 4x10 array per segment. The LEDs are from Osram. They're a top automotive supplier for LEDs. These are all automotive qualified LEDs. The electronics are from Infineon, the microcontroller and the drivers, another automotive supplier of electronics. The features I want to show you, I have a dip switch here to switch from right light to left light, sequential braking on or sequential braking off. In other words, do you want the lights to sweep out when you hit the brakes? Do you want all three to come on? You flip the switch to on or off. Tail blanking, which when the tail lights are on and you start a sequence for your turn, it will actually blank the tail lights to give you a higher contrast. There's a potentiometer over here to tune the part, sweep it from fast to slow, sweep from right to left. I can show you how all those work. It's a right light. Flip the switch. Left light. Now we can slow it down. Or if you don't want sequential lights at all, you can spin it all the way clockwise and they all come on at the same time. More than likely you're going to run it right around here. We can hook it up with the flasher. I'll also connect the tail lights. You see the lights are blinking at the beginning of the sequence. If you don't want that, just flip the switch and then they stay on. Flip it back. Gives you a little bit of higher contrast, more pop. Now if you want regular braking or you don't want sequential braking, then they all come on. When you hook it up to the flasher, the first one will be all three, but each successive one after that will be sequence. Hook it up and show you how it all goes together. You got your bucket out of the car, you just take the 1157 plug, put it through the bucket. Put your board inside, put the gasket on, the lens back in, trim ring, put in a couple screws to hold it in place. You just plug it into your wiring harness in your trunk. There's the brake. There's the tail. And there's the turn. Thanks for watching.